Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be drawing myself and an alter ego character of mine that I created a while back. He's a bee named YIBEE, which derived from Chinese letter of 一笔, and in my case, it's 一笔一笔, which means stroke by stroke. This is what I consider as my motto in art. Keep improving and moving forward, one brush stroke at a time. I will leave you to the video from now on. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one.